So, you're that new intern, huh? I'm Frank, and I'm gonna train you for Junior Hell Manager. Let's start with essentials. Our currency is suffering, obtained by torturing sinners. It's suffering that makes everything work here in Hell. And some technicalities. Use middle click or WASD keys to navigate through your Hell. Use left click or right click to select or cancel respectively. For more details, go to Controls and then Options. Okay, get to work. Dig some dirt, coal, and metal. Click on the dig icon on the bottom of the screen and then point to relevant tiles on the map. To build something, just click on the build icon, choose a category, and then an actual object you need. For now, choose the basic category. You will find ladders and floor segments there. Great. Now build a torch to make your hell a bit more cozy. Did I really say that? Anyway, it's a decoration category object. Ah, how I love to look into that flame. But never mind. Time to look on the character's card. Open it to see more details. Do it by left-clicking on any of the sinners. At the top there is Sanity. It indicates a sinner's level and grows automatically during torturing. The better a torturer is suited to a sinner, the faster sanity increases. And now, something interns are always waiting for. Tortures. Now, one of the simplest torture devices is Iron Maiden. Let's start with that. Start with collecting the resources required to build it. Okay, You already have all the required resources. Build an Iron Maiden. You will find it among the other torture devices in torture category. Every building, including torture devices, have their own cards. Click on Iron Maiden for more information. Now look at the empty sim slot at the bottom. Click on the green plus symbol to assign the first sinner, and start generating suffering. Production has started and is going quite well. Let us discuss it for a second. Look at the cycle block in the middle of the card. On the left, you can see sim silhouettes, value of the ongoing cycle, and a corresponding icon. Below the cycle is the sinner panel. As you already know, clicking on the plus underneath the portrait will make one of your sinners The sinners must sleep on something. For now, a paper box will do. But uncomfortable. The subordinates get up as soon as they reach the yellow bar. What? Something more comfortable? Surely you guessed. This is hell. It is not a place of luxuries. Think about improvements once you reach a higher status. If you need to make it. You want a private builder? What is that supposed to mean? We'll replace this mailbox, and you will do it now! Time to get acquainted with the Provide card. Click on the paper box. You already know how cycles work, so I will not discuss them. The difference is that in Provide type structures, the number of sims does not affect the duration of the cycle. It is always the same. Collect the necessary resources first. Time to construct simple latrine. You'll find it in the drink category of object. Talking about drinks, it's time to build a machine that converts excrements into dirty water. Water squeezer. Quit dawdling and collect the required resources. So, my fellow worm, build it now. You have to assign someone to work. To do this, click on the machine to open building. Because it is a manufactured structure, we already have skills. At the moment of assigning a worker, a sinner matching the structure skill will be selected, if possible. Note if there is a large exclamation mark in the upper right corner of the building, it means a lack of resources, and a lack of resources will not allow you to assign a character to a building. The sitters will work until one of their needs falls into the red zone. If that happens, they'll stop working to satisfy that particular need. Afterwards, they will return to work on their own, but only if several conditions are met. Make sure to always have structures that satisfy needs. If a specific structure is not placed or is occupied, the sim will stop working and wait for it to be built, or become vacant. A yellow icon will appear above the structure, showing that there are no workers. It's time to find out what everyone in hell is drinking. For now, we will use a metal bucket, which, just like the paper box, meets the needs of the yellow field only. Time to collect the necessary resources. Do not make me wait long.